vision so clear in my head. It's a strange kind of prison. It is and it isn't. It's the life that I'm bound to live without ever knowing why.
We've arrived.
We've arrived. This is our new home. This is what it looks like now. Just you wait. In about an hour, this will be a fully living, functional campsite.
It's the beauty of the morning.
Go for it.
It's the soft line of your thigh.
5, 5, 5, 6.
It's the day that I found you know as I walked along the shore.
All friends have
I
arrived.
read the lines you wrote. Left hidden in my coat. It's the truth.
There's construction. No, there's construction on both ends, and I'm just kind of like.
It's the truth.
I ate like half that, but I'm like, we can try.
This is wet.
That's true. Tomorrow night we're gonna be like, damn.
Don't film
What
me.
are you
That's too much
doing?
pressure.
You're ready to go
Guys,
right now.
It's, you know, we said after the fire started, we crack open the cold one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no, I didn't. I didn't mean fire marshals. We're still on duty. I meant the,
you
the
guys
peanut
can
gallery.
find
over
them.
here.
We'll do it all.
Oh, and it has a
It's roaring! It's roaring! Yay! We're cracking. Okay.
Crack.
Everybody
Crack a clock, baby. We're gonna crack a clock.
This way, guys.
Guys, but it is why. Throw away your stick afterwards. We will. No, you gotta. I don't know if the people. No, there's a lot.
Night vision.
Night vision. Night shot. Wait, get me in the night shot.
Oh my god, Slenderman! Slenderman! It's getting a little dark and just in time to get on our two dads. I know. Blue? But we got one. Oh, great cheese. That's a good one.
This bacon's just about ready.
It smells kind of good. It's actually the perfect like buoyancy and thickness.
I hate strawberries.
And warmth.
No, it was just Serena.
Oh, that's kind of funny, vegetarians.
We were very
And we couldn't find the cooked bacon, and we didn't want to poison you guys, but we ended up finding it, and then we were like, how much is 65 grams of bacon? Because we were like, is that 2 slices?
2 slices.
How much is it?
It's huge.
Wow,
Serena. That's beefy.
I want to win a pancake competition.
Oh my god! Coming from all over the world to look at my mega pancake. It's a crepe. Thank you.
Ready to flip?
Shout out to Mika for lending me a bucket hat. My scalp burns really easy. It's the first to go, so Mika is saving me. And I appreciate it. And it kind of matches my bathing suit.
It does. It's so cute.
De estar ahí, te quiero junto a mí siempre, cariño. Eres mi raíz dormida. Por las mañanas yo me arrimo y tú a mi desierto. Que tú eres mi sol y no hay nadie que me haga tan feliz.
Anyway, the moral of that story is that I wanted to tell her, I was like, you would have learned the same thing if there.
Creo que es tiempo